Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math. In our today's session, I will be presenting to you the Jinja Joint Mock Mathematics Examination and its proposed marking guide. So kindly follow along and you will be able to get the full mock examination questions and the proposed solutions for the questions. So let us dive into the questions. So I will be taking you slowly through each of the items, and this is item number 1, which is from section A. And in this section, you are supposed to answer all the items. So this is item number 1. Here is item number 2. So those are the first two compulsory items in section A. And in section B, you are supposed to only answer one item from each of the two parts. So part 1 for section B has two items, item 3 and 4. So you'll be required to only answer one item. So this is item number 3. Now this is item number 4. So now we come to part 2 of section B. You are also supposed to answer only one item from items 5 and 6. So this is item 5. So we come to the last item, which is item number 6. And here is the proposed marking guide. So this is the proposed solution for item 1. So please remember this is a proposed guide, and so there might be some mistakes. So use it for practice and learning, not as a final marking scheme. I will attach the PDF containing the questions and the solutions in the first in the comment section. It will be the first comment that will be pinned there. Please, you can check and download this paper. Please don't forget about these remarks or the competencies that are considered for each of the questions or the items. They are very important, especially for your revision. Let us look at item number 2. So this is the solution for item number 2. So this is the solution for item number 3. So here is the solution to item number 4. So we look at item number 5. So this is the last item. And that's the end.
Yeah.